Do you suffer from heartburn, indigestion, acid reflux, bloating? You've gone to your doctors and they've prescribed you things like omeprazole, lansoprazole. These are known as protein pump inhibitors, also known as PPIs. Now, if that's you, then this video is for you. Hi guys, I'm Rajiv Gadvi. I'm a pharmacist that helps people reverse chronic health conditions without drugs or medication. Just a disclaimer, please do not stop any of your prescribed medication. If you want to make any changes to it, please contact your doctors or your physician. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the problems associated with protein pump inhibitors. There are many side effects, but the main problem that a lot of us deal with is nutrient deficiency. That's right, guys, nutrient deficiency with PPIs. How's that even possible? Now, when you take a PPI, it destroys your stomach acid. Now, when you destroy your stomach acid, you cannot absorb the nutrients from your foods. And if you can't absorb the nutrients, you start getting nutrient deficiencies. And there's some common ones that I'm going to go through today. Let's begin. Magnesium deficiency. This can cause cramping, headaches, stomach issues, and constipation. Number 2, vitamin B12 deficiency. This can cause memory issues, brain fog, tingling, and numbness. Number 3, vitamin C deficiency. This can cause dry hair and nails. It can make you bruise easier in the body, gives you fatigue and weakness. Number 4, zinc deficiency. This can give you hair loss, lack of alertness, loss of appetite. And number 5, elevated homocysteine. This can damage the lining of your arteries and cause plaque formation. You can see, guys, PPIs are pretty dangerous. They can cause all these deficiencies in your body. So what can one do? In many cases, you need to take PPIs, so consult your doctor. But sometimes you can wean yourself off and try alternate methods. Now, some of the things you can try is reducing inflammatory foods. Number 2, don't overeat and don't eat too quickly. Chew your food and have small meals throughout the day. Number 3, don't eat too late. Make sure you eat at least 3 hours before bed. Number 4, dilution with apple cider vinegar before meals is a great way. People think apple cider vinegar gives you acid reflux because it's quite strong in the throat. You need to dilute it properly. Number 5, adjust your sleeping position. You can actually buy special pillows that you can sleep on, and that prevents you from acid to get through your throat. And finally, number 6, keep talking about it, but it's helped me, it's helped my family and my friends. It's the Balance, great supplement, fiber supplement that's helped me with my hiatus hernia. This has helped me with acid reflux, bloating, indigestion, heartburn, the lot.